Put a potato with salt on a plate, and watch what happens. Many people do not believe in negative energies, but you know what? It's worse for them because the energies exist, both positive and negative. Negative energies can lead to serious problems, so we must learn to eliminate them, do not you think? To remove the negative energies from the home, nothing better than the potato with salt. This way you will neutralize the bad energies, improve the economy and restore harmony. The rational mind cannot assimilate some remedies and rituals, which are a challenge to logic. Few people believe in this. This vegetable hides multiple beneficial properties, not only for health and beauty, but also, from an energetic point of view. Remember to share this home trick with your friends and family. Just by reserving a place in your life and in the environments where you usually stay most of the time to this product, with an unmistakable aroma, will take away the negative energies. All you need is potatoes and a plate with salt. How to do it? 1. To clean the bad vibes that you absorb during the day, put a potato broken into pieces in a glass container. 2. Around the split potato, put salt of grain inside the same container and place it where more transit in your house, in this case can be the kitchen. 3. You can also put it aside, on the wall or on the floor. 4. Next day, do not touch the potato, put it in a plastic bag and throw it away from your house. Repeat it at least 7 days in a row and you will see how you will feel better. 5. You can also do this with potatoes. Use a potato in your handbag, in your pants bag, jacket or wherever you want. Take it out at night and you will see how the potato will be dry. Throw it and the next day bring a new one. This will absorb all the negative you can absorb. I am